Hello everyone. Today we are presenting your project development from a nano-emotional bed hardware massage bed using local Jackson and Darussa formulation, optimization, characterization, and celebrity evolution.
Introduction. Research nanoemotion. Nanoemotion is a mixture of oil and water which covers size and the nanoscale. There are two main types: oil in water and water in oil. For massage oil, the oil in water type is preferred because its stability, improve absorption, and provides a nice non-greasy texture. HLB and unHLB of various types of oils. Synthetic olive oil, eucalyptus oil, and methyl salicylic because and requires HLB value match which between anti-discompatibility. This allows this oil to form soluble oil in water, nano-emulsion, and ensuring better stability and suppression the final product. Reasons and problem. Massage or nano-emulsion provides treatment benefits, therapeutic effect, dermatological care, and smooth performance. However, problem includes negation of active properties coverage as well as defining.
Background encapsulation help protect active compound, while encapsulated oil are unstable and reactive. Encapsulated nanoemulsion are stability, protective, and mobile-protective, leading to more term space product.
Our research focused on Leticia genus, its context for knowledge such as vitamin antigenin and placing which provides an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial property.
Methodology. Research methodology. Step 1 to extract the crude extract from 36 Gendarusa. Step 2 to identify the creatless massage oil based formula. Step 3 to examine whether ending the crude extract affects the crystallicity of the oil and to invest in therapeutic property. Step 4 to determine the pH of the massage oil and assure its stability from topical use. Step 5 to analyze the droplet size and release pipe it meet the criteria of nanoemulsion. Step 6 to evaluate the stability of the massage oil in terms of set, dimension, color, and other change. The process of creating Jackisia fruit extract involves guiding Jackisia helps sifting the resisting powder and ending it to ethanol 75%. This mixture is then filtered using a sonicate machine and filter paper. Finally, the fill plate is evaporated and baked to attain the Jackisia extract. Preparation for emulsion formula. We will mix with 80 with sweet in the specified radio and roll in the on hot plate for 5 minutes. When the time up, add the oil that we want to make into massage oil in the specified radio and roll in on the hot plate for another 5 minutes. Then add decision water and continue molding until all the decision water is used up. Process. This step follows the same process as the base massage oil formulation. However, the crude extract from the TCL generation is added to the addition from distant water. Continuous stirring is required during the addition from the extract to inner pour mixing. Check the pH value. Measure the pH the finished massage oil is put into a 24-well plate. A digital pH meter is then dipped into the sample. After its measurement, the pH meter is rinsed with distilled water before taking the next sample. pH profile for formulation. This graph shows the pH value of the massage oil. The ideal pH range for massage oil should be between 4.5 and 5.5.
Function of chemical in oil in water nanoemulsion. Methoding surplus oil in water nanoemulsion formulas different ratio of oil surfactant, glycerin, and water.
Weekly oil massage result record table. From the table, it can be observed that after 3 weeks, the stability of olive oil gradually led with visible sensitive foaming and the oil becoming calm in contrast to eucalyptus and wintergreen oil. Rename clear and free of sandwiching from week 1 to week 3. Particle size and PDI from 30 Rusa nano-emulsion with eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil nano-emulsion has a particle size of 23 nanometer and PDI 0.315. Another well, this parameter the nanosize may cruise instability over time. Particle size and PDI from 30 Rusa nano-emulsion with olive oil. Olive oil nano-emulsion has a particle size of 106 nanometer and PDI 0.309. This value show good uniformity, making olive oil the most promising choice. Summary for the average of average size and average PDI. Olive oil show the most promise for massage oil nano-emulsion development. Its particle size is about 105.7 nanometer and the PDI is 0.309, which indicate good stability. In contrast, winter green oil is unstability because it has a very late particle size about 347.5 nanometer with a high PDI for 0.503. Eucalyptus oil, on the other hand, has a nano-emulsion particle size only 23.3 nanometer with a moderate PDI for 0.315. However, this results celebrity concert overlaid olive oil PDI success that it can be optimistic into a stable and effective nano-emulsion for massage oil. Thank you for your attention.